Day 9, Building Self-Awareness. Hi, and welcome back to Day 9 of How to Meditate. As always, it's your friendly neighborhood therapist, John here, and today we focus on developing a new meditation muscle, and that's our muscle of clarity. If this muscle sounds familiar, it's because I've briefly covered clarity in many of our previous sessions. But today, we're going all in. Clarity is our muscle of awareness. The idea is that clarity helps us get clear about what's going on in both our minds and our body. At some point during meditation, absolutely everyone deals with their mind wandering. But this is completely normal. When our minds wander, some people get down on themselves and think they're not doing a good job at this meditation thing. But it's actually the opposite, because the moment we choose to pop out of our thoughts and remember we're supposed to be meditating is a win, or as the young folks like to say, a W. Because this is a moment we become awakened. So when we work on our clarity muscle, we're working on no longer running on autopilot and allowing ourselves to jump out of the matrix. So today, let's give this clarity thing a try and see if we can finally jump out of the matrix. So let's get into a comfortable position. Eyes closed or open, softly gazing at the ground. Let's start by taking a couple of deep breaths together. Breathe in. Breathe out. As you take another deep breath in, I want you to bring your full attention to the feeling of the incoming breath. And then as you exhale out, there's a downward motion, like you're sinking into your body. On the inhale, we're alert, spine straight, chest out. And on the exhale, it's like we're breathing out any tension. Bringing awareness to our body. We're softening any points of tension, relaxing the shoulders, the forehead, both sets of cheeks. We're easygoing and able to let our guard down. So to start things off, I want you to tune into your home base. Of course, you know my personal favorite is the breath, but other home bases work as well, like body sensations or sounds. Choose whatever home base works best for you and stay with it for a minute or so. Beautiful. So you're paying attention to your home base just like a normal meditation. Except here's a new twist. Get really curious about this thing called mind wandering. I don't mean that I want you to try to make your mind wander. You still want to be focused on your home base. It's more like you have this background curiosity about where exactly your mind goes when it wanders. Do you go into daydreams, into making to do lists, into past memories? I'm going to leave you with about 90 seconds. And as you practice here, try to notice where your mind goes when it gets distracted. Mind wanders, then come back into awareness, into the awakening of your self awareness. Every time we come back, it's a rep that builds up the muscle of clarity. Part of clarity is knowing what's going on in our minds, what kind of thoughts your mind likes to produce. See if you can notice without any judgment. And then once you notice, you go back to your home base and continue meditating. We're in the home stretch here. Keep going. Good. Now just relax. You can let go of your home base and just coast, doing nothing here at the end. So, what did you notice? This is what we call a insight meditation. We're getting insights into the nature of our particular mind. The key is to learn to observe our mind without trying to change it. It's sort of like we're wildlife researchers, searching our minds in their natural habitat. in order to learn more about ourselves. And here's the crazy paradox. Trying to observe our mind without changing it does actually change it. Patterns of obsessive rumination can start to cool out. We start to find more space and more peace. The famous spiritual teacher J. Krishnamurti said the ability to observe without evaluating is the highest form of intelligence. That's what we're cultivating here. The highest form of intelligence. Okay, so you can open your eyes. Next session, we continue this learning as we learn to process our emotions. God bless. I'll see you tomorrow.